Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth headphones keep disconnecting from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. So the best solution in this case is resetting all your network settings. However, it will also affect your Wi-Fi settings. So you're gonna have to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords after you do that. And it will also affect your mobile network settings, but only in case if you have customly set any mobile network on your phone. To do that, go to Settings, then go to System or General Management. Now in General Management, navigate down to Reset option, then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So sorry for the confusion, it will not affect your mobile networks at all. Select Reset Settings, wait for this notification to appear on your screen, and then try to pair your Bluetooth headphones once again. To go in even further, restart your phone by holding down the power button and the volume down key at the same time for a couple of seconds. Then, once the power off menu appears on your screen, select Restart and let your phone refresh. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.